The SUV that redefined family luxury is about to evolve again. The all-new 2027 Kia Telluride isn't just a refresh, it's a complete transformation. With bolder styling, an all-new hybrid powertrain, and a design inspired by the Rocky Mountains, Kia is taking its best-selling SUV to a whole new level. So if you thought the Telluride couldn't get any more impressive, buckle up, because today on Gravity Automotive, we're breaking down every detail, every feature, and every reason why the 2027 Telluride is shaping up to be one of the most exciting SUVs of the decade. Kia's Telluride has been a favorite among American families since its debut, praised for offering near-luxury comfort and premium design without the premium price tag. But for 2027, Kia is raising the bar once again. The new Telluride is expected to hit showrooms in 2026, with prices starting around $38,000, offering more technology, more powertrain options, and a look that's far more rugged and modern. Let's start with what's under the hood, because this is where things get really interesting. The 2027 Telluride is rumored to replace its long-running V6 with two new powertrains. The first is a turbocharged four-cylinder, likely designed to improve fuel efficiency without sacrificing capability. The second, and perhaps most exciting, is a hybrid version, producing an estimated 334 horsepower. That's a serious upgrade for families who want power and eco-friendliness in one package. Kia hasn't confirmed if the hybrid will be plug-in or standard, but all signs point toward enhanced efficiency and stronger performance than before. Now, let's talk about design. And this is where Kia has gone all out. Gone are the smooth, rounded corners that defined the previous Telluride. The 2027 model adopts a far more muscular stance, with sharp edges, bold surfaces, and a confident, upright presence. One of the most striking new design elements is the triple vertical LED running lights up front. These stacked lights are part of Kia's new design language and instantly separate the Telluride from its close cousin, the Hyundai Palisade. Expect the rear tail lights to follow this same vertical LED pattern at night, giving the SUV a strong and cohesive light signature both day and night. Kia says the triangular creases along the hood and fenders are inspired by the Rocky Mountains, which is a poetic nod to the SUV's namesake, the city of Telluride, Colorado. These design elements make the new Telluride look more rugged and adventurous, a perfect fit for the modern SUV buyer who wants sophistication with a hint of off-road capability. Another standout feature is the floating roof design. This effect is created through a blacked-out D-pillar and a distinctive character line running just above the door opening. It gives the SUV a sleeker, more upscale look, especially when paired with the large rear glass panel that extends over the third row. This glass design floods the cabin with natural light, creating a more open and airy feel. It's still unclear if this feature will be standard or reserved for upper trims, but either way, it's a major visual upgrade. Inside, while Kia hasn't fully revealed the interior, we can expect the same level of craftsmanship that made the previous Telluride a class leader. Expect dual digital displays, ambient lighting, premium materials, and likely more advanced driver assist features. Given Kia's recent trend, we can also anticipate a new infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and possibly over-the-air software updates, all designed to make life on the road smarter and easier. Of course, safety will remain a top priority. Kia's DriveWise suite should return with upgrades, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and smart parking assist. With the brand's focus on technology, a hands-free driving feature on select trims wouldn't be surprising, especially as competitors move in that direction. From every angle, the 2027 Telluride looks like the next big step in Kia's design evolution, combining bold looks, efficient performance, and a refined personality that continues to outshine traditional luxury SUVs. And while official trim levels haven't been confirmed, expect familiar names like EX, SX, and SX Prestige, possibly joined by a new hybrid exclusive trim. Kia could also offer new wheel designs, paint colors, and interior themes inspired by nature, fitting the rugged new design direction. With its muscular new body, floating roofline, and cutting-edge lighting, the Telluride looks ready for adventure, but still carries that premium vibe that made it so popular in American suburbs. It's a family SUV that manages to look tough without losing its elegance. As we get closer to its official debut, the biggest questions remain. Will Kia move production toward electrification completely by 2027? And how will this hybrid system compare to rivals like the Toyota Highlander Hybrid and Honda Pilot Trail Sport? One thing is for sure, the Telluride's new design and powertrain lineup are setting the stage for a fresh era of sophistication and performance. So if you loved the old old Telluride, you're going to be blown away by this new one. It's not just another SUV refresh, it's a bold statement of where Kia is heading next. So what do you think of the all-new 2027 Kia Telluride? Do you like the new bold look, or do you miss the rounded elegance of the previous model? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this full breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Gravity Automotive, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest car reviews, first looks, and comparisons across the world. Until next time, stay curious, stay passionate, and keep driving forward with Gravity Automotive.